to VONNIETALK. Today I would like to introduce the different type of the drawing machine to you. Now they have some machines already finished. Tomorrow we will ship them to the container to Vietnam customer. For these customers, they order several sets, the cold drawing machine and straightening machine and the pointing machine. This customer, they use the cold drawing machine, straightening machine and pointing machine to process the plastic shop. You can see this is the manual part. This is the manual type. So you can find that the manual part is different to the automatic type. It's the manual. There's no the cylinder to push the manual to the die basement. And let's show you the main part of the drawing machine. You can see this is the 50 model cold drawing machine with the manual loading station. This is the manual type loading station. And you can see this is the simple electric boards. It's more easier to control. And for the die basement. And you can find the small model drawing machine we equip the linear guide, linear track tool. For those two sets, cold drawing machine that have the different type of the color. The color is designed based on customer requirements. So we could make the different color based on your need. This customer, tomorrow they will ship two sets cold drawing machine, the FR50 model first. Then for the next order, they will ship the 25 cold drawing machine with 4 sets. And you can see this is the FR25 $16. They order 2 sets. Now we debug the machine and keep the machine running for the long time to check the machine and confirm the machine state before shipping. This is the 14 6-dice hydraulic pointing machine. It's a simple type. You may find that this customer produce the small size because they do the plastic shop, the pipe to install to the press product. So they don't need the very big diameter, don't need the big model machine. Actually, for our cold drawing machine, pointing machine, straightening machine, it's used for your different range of the diameter. So your material size is very important to us. If you are interested in the drawing machine, straightening machine, and the pointing machine, welcome to contact to us.